Stayf Dots are halftone brushes for the iPad app Procreate. The brush set has 20 halftone brushes. The brushes are in percentages. You can use the brushes in the same file and build up gradients from 10% to 85% patterns. The dot patterns are set to the screen. When you change the angle of the screen, you can use different colors, creating a Band-Aid dot effect. There are line halftones and dot halftones in this brush set. Apart from the halftones, the original Band-Aid dot pattern brushes are also included. The Stayf Halftone Line Double. This brush has a double line pattern. Great for painting in a halftone line pattern in your background. These halftone line brushes are built up in percentages. Use 85, 50, 25 and 10% to paint with different gray tone shades. You can even create gradients because the lines are set to the canvas. The Stayf Band-Aid Dots brush set also has the standard halftone dots. The brushes are built up in percentages from 10% to 85% to paint with different gray tone shades. You can even create gradients because the dots are set to the canvas. Use the Stayf Halftone Distress brushes to create a retro feel to your illustration or comic. If you want to use skatable halftones, use the Stayf Halftone Thin, the Stayf Halftone Medium, or the Stayf Halftone Square brush. You can scale the dots to create pop art, like the art of Roy Lichtenstein. The Stayf Day Circular is based on the original Band-Aid dot. It has a circular pattern that has a handmade feel. Use it with any color to create that retro feel. The Stayf Band-Aid Stipple is a skatable brush. You can also create gradients in this pattern by applying the brush several times. And finally, the Stayf Day Scatter to create the same effect but set to the canvas. You can use all of these brushes on top of your already colored drawing and set it to multiply to get that retro feel. The Stayf Dots brush set for Procreate is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description of this video.